a person like Flexi, Team Flexi, yeah? Bro, she get up every Friday, bro, and she plays every man's song. Bro, you know what time she want me to come on her show, bro, yeah?
Flexi, I need to read book with you.
And she never yet said,
I told man, them people we need to embrace, bro.
I feel it in my belly! Mighty God!
I am crying for peace. All you killers hear my cry. I'm begging you, please. Put on the guns, too much people are dying.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Stop the crime! We need peace and love in the community!
Sick and tired of this crime and violence.
Bless everyone, greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Pick up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. Yeah, man, more life and blessings, prosperity, health and strength, seeing guidance and protection. Yeah, man, I wish that upon all of you all, you see me? Big up on yourself. Coming up in this episode, you don't know, local footage of, you know, the people them turn up to support Danielle Rowe. They had a special devotion at her school in Brighton Primary. See? I might tell you, it's very stressful and overwhelming. You see me, I say, my viewers and subscribers. You see it? So I'm going to show it up and what I'm going on. Also, we have, you know, Danny Bless, Real Askel and Dula link up on a live where they must share them frustration and a reason about the UK dancehall fraternity. See? So I'm going to show you that, you know, so don't go down.
War in a me garrison, the whole place tense. Car drive by and fire shot on millions. Stray bullet, fly through board and zinc fence. Kick out window, kill a little boy named Clarence. High righteousness me choose over violence.
Yes, man, crying for peace. Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. So first, before we kick off the show, I'll show you what's going on with Danielle Rowe at her school. We have another alert, another teen missing close from where Danielle Rowe was went missing in a Portmore, you see me, Brighton. So another child is missing and the search is ongoing, you know what I mean? So anybody have any information, link the right authorities. You see it. I hope and pray she's been found safe and sound. You see it. Moving on now, a special devotion was held at Brighton Primary School for Danielle Rowe. You see me? Very shocking and sad, man. Watch what.
God, I can't eat. Jesus, I feel it in my belly. Oh my God. Oh. Feel it in my belly. I feel it in my belly. Mighty God. Jesus. Cover your children. Mighty God. I wake up this morning and I can't feel like eating nothing.
Good morning, everyone.
Now, Lila Star is very sad, you know, watching this, you know, see the woman a break down, roll her belly bottom. It could be her son, it could be my granddaughter, it could be your child. Parents, you know, have a responsibility, a role to play, talk to the kids, them, keep close eye on them. You see, because right now, we wouldn't wish this upon no one. And my sincere condolence goes out to the families again. You see it? I don't know what could have caused this 8-year-old. You know what I mean? What them do to our star. Very gruesomely. You know? And people turn out, as you can see, at the school, for sure, lend their support. But it's still painful, still hurtful. I could have heard in the background, other people are shout out and I cry. You see me? No, I tell a lie, sir. Very shocking. Very sad, my viewers and subscribers. And any information you don't have, pass it on to the right authorities them. Justice need to be served, you know. You see what happened to Ananda, you see me, and Dujan, my local footballer, them used to coach. You see me, enough other kids became victims of crime innocently, you know? Yeah, man. But let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. That's it. Moving on now, the UK dancehall fraternity, you know, and reggae, I should say. The artists them say, yo, them not get enough support enough from, you don't know, and them there in the dancehall with the selector them and the promoter them, and you see them now get the support. I said the same thing to you, see me, but the live here was held by Danny Bless, entrance boss, Real Askel, the winning boss, and Dula. Is what I say? Yes, man, 3 artists. Pick up the man them. And then the panel live talk basically about the music industry and UK, in a UK, you know, and I give credit to Team Flexi. Yeah, man, me personally have to say big up Team Flexi because when I released my EP the other day, and I mean she asked if I would like to come and premiere it on the station, and I relished that moment and I went and did, and it was very nice. Big up Danny Bless who passed through, come give me a strength, support, and everybody will tune in. Big up London at radio. You see me, big up Team Flexi once more. Yes, man, I work ethics, no normal. And she do a great thing, and she deserves to get her praise and acknowledge. You see me? Yeah, but anyway, enough of me talking. I want to listen where Danny Bless and Askel and Dula say. You see me? And me understand what them say. Is it? Who feels it knows?
Perfect examples. A person like Flexi, Team Flexi, yeah? Bro, she get up every Friday, bro, and she play every man's song. Bro, you know what time she told me to come on her show, bro, yeah?
Flexi, I need to rebook with you.
And she never yet said, oh,
them people we need to embrace, bro.
Bro, she still play my song them, bro. Still send me my clippings them, bro.
That's true,
actually believe in UK,
Yeah,
that's true,
bro.
Good, I remember say she boss Van Damme, you know, no joke, you know.
Bro,
Yeah,
but them DJ, you know, yeah. Won't not good them props and Ray. Sorry, Danny, hold on there. The DJ them won't not good them props and Ray. Man, still a god dance, and when them see an artist, them play the artist once, and the artist not there, bro. I'm gonna use this artist as a perfect example.
Good, they not play the artist.
Spooky no need. Spooky we not charge it. Spooky reach Spooky reach a height in our music where him not for dead if you play music. Him have songs where for play. Naturally, it can't fit in any juggling. Yeah, them still not play the youth song, and when them see the youth in a party, them play them song. See them like many other artists, bro. Me not rate them, bro. I only can't give them props as much as you want, bro. But me not
listen,
do
either one of
the artists them over here. So hold on the charge it. Yeah, me hear Dragon say something earlier when Slayer asked him, why don't you play UK artists? Brother, cut the fuckery. A man just don't react with artwork, bro. Just don't react with music. Cause watch this. Yeah, me sit down and watch up on live, and when Dragon do him our session before the show starts, yeah. Dragon play some song with some local youth. Big up the local youth, them not take it from them. So some local youth where just bust a Jamaica with that one song, and cause it sound catchy, them play it, bro. Them don't know the youth, them don't know them go find the song and play it, bro. So no man. Bro. No need to send no song or give no DJ or nothing, bro, because the song
bro,
and them
real
like
talk, my God.
Play it, bro, them are going to find it.
Real talk, my God.
Them valiant now, send them play it as it drop them of it, bro.
Real talk, my God.
For them, bro.
The same promotion we I do, bro. When I do nothing different, bro.
Do that.
Do excuse for them, bro. Me sit aside, bro, and me I go through my personal problems, and that give me time for recap everything what me I do, bro. I'm look on the music when me say me I involved in the music game, bro. I YouTube me I go release my reading them, voice my song them, bro, and
that's
put them out, bro. Me no need
so what to say you're being let down by Jano?
Not just me, bro. Every artist in the game, bro. Not just me. Every artist. I'm not talking on just me, bro. I'm talking about
everyone. Man. Come on,
good artist, Debo, bro.
Man, really fuck me. Even enough you have to tell them, bro.
How much good song I wrote. Dula, you wanna hear every song where you have to give me a money tree. Tell her that every day. How many people
bro? You understand?
Look at that now. Want something? Big up DJ Kells. Put in that work. Yeah, big up DJ Kells. Yeah.
DJ Kells.
Yeah, me ask. Yeah.
Fully done. Yeah.
Hey, yo, you know some more time to talk. Hey, I wonder if they know some me I want intelligent man. Look at them saying they know some is a no, hold on, look at them. They know some is a meds a lot. Check the meds now.
Yes, man. So basically, what Dula say, no. Him in at the party, them, and them when they are party, him in at the party, them, with the selector, them, and the promoter, them. Zin, and yet still, them nah get the support as an artist. Only when them see them in a dance, them drop the song. But when them then at the party, the song them nah play, and they don't know enough of them them go dance, go buy them buckle, and support the promoter them. Because enough of the promoter, some of the promoter them are also selectors and DJs. You see it? So basically, when I say them now get the support in and them quick for play the artists them at Jamaica, even some young artists were just boss. As we Dula say them not take nothing from young artists them at Jamaica, and I mean, but them there with them in the UK, them see them 24/7 in a party in a dance, some spend them money by them buckle them £100 out, how much buckle them want buy for the night. And yes, still them song now get enough support. You see me? I'm kind of understand the frustration there, you see, because as I say, who feels it knows. You see me? Yeah, man, so Team Flexi deserve our credit because, as my Dula say, you know, she play the song them every Friday, and she play every artist, she play every genre, rap, grime, dance, everybody she play, she try to fit in everybody. You see me? And she send the clippings them. Enough DJ now do that, enough selector now do that. But you still have 1 or 2 selectors over here still and DJ on the radio who do them thing, you know what I mean? Yes. You see it, I support the UK artists them, but more can be done for help send the artists on my road in the UK. You can have some enough bad talented UK artists there and a dancehall and reggae. But you know, the man them tend to go at Jamaica and the man with them a par with over here and see regular, them now give them the support. You see me? So let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? As we Dula say, no, self-reliance, YouTube, lease a rhythm or buy a rhythm outright, record, pay your studio to record yourself, and get your song then release and out, and you go promote it. Stop. Don't sit down away upon a producer for voice and a selector to play a song. Social media is very big now. You see enough people boss off of social media. Enough artists get them breakthrough off of social media. Valiant are big right now. One of the biggest things are social media bossing. Catchy at Big's done. A social media bossing. Enough. Yeah man, social media is the way right now. One of the way. You see me? You don't know radio station them still vital same way but social media. Just do your thing. Lease a rhythm. You know what I mean? Pay your studio time, get the song properly mixed and mastered. And get it out and shoot a video too, because video are the next thing to work good. When you have your song, you shoot a video, you see me? But enough of me talking, let me know what you think in the UK artists. Let me know what you think. Saying if the selector them need to do more, we support the artists them over here in the UK. The talented ones, we say it, male and female. Yeah man, a lion put a talk. Big up on yourself. Big up Danny Bless. Big up Askel, big up Dula, big up Team Flexi, and big up the whole UK dancehall artist them. And Selectas to and DJ. That's how you go, you know. Love and respect, man. I'm out. Not another word or Tommy. I'm out.